Huobi Gathering is a world-driving organization in the computerized economy industry, established in 2013 to develop center blockchain innovation with especially different areas, which is genuinely critical. Huobi Gathering has ventured into the public chain, industry blockchain, crypto exchanging, wallet, research, and so forth, and has laid out a worldwide environment. Huobi Worldwide is the world-driving cryptographic money stage, giving secure and helpful exchanging administrations for many advanced monetary standards. Check coin outline before we start with Huobi token cost forecast. Most stages permit you to set up a dealer wallet account that offers customization and change choices to your base money. Coordinate the digital currency choices into your retail locations fundamentally is a significant step where in the event that you don't have legitimate help, you might wind up losing cash. Seeing this multitude of perplexing inquiries of brokers and financial backers, the stage Huobi offers one-stop answers for all your exchanging needs. Huobi was established in China in the year 2013. Afterward, it went especially open and is currently a Hong Kong-based organization. The local Huobi token by and large is set to surpass other laid-out cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT to give some examples. The outline of Huobi most certainly token. Huobi Worldwide Environmental Token is a decentralized computerized resource in view of Ethereum, gave by Huobi Gathering, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The administration Huobi Pretty Token Trade offers a multifaceted methodology giving immense openness to in excess of 16,000 business sectors. The flexibility of tradable matches on Huobi Trade for digital currency. Huobi Stage offers unmatched administrations with the assistance of committed specialists, non-stop warning help, and a call for help talk and call administration for all clients, which is very critical. Customization of records in light of financial backer explicit necessities is one more remarkable component here, with all solaces of an essential and truly proficient record. HT is utilized in a wide range of uses in the worldwide business and biological system of Huobi Gathering. Huobi token holders will partake in the comparing advantages of the sort of entire biological system of Huobi and get natural sub-token prizes. Huobi token, market opinion. In view of authentic information from the trade, specialized examination information, and future cost gauge, the ongoing cost of Huobi especially token truly is right now exchanging around $9.14. It has a market capitalization of $1,425,538,977.63 with a volume of $38,963,223.65. There is a flowing stock of 156,124,154 HT in the cryptographic money market. In view of our estimate, a drawn-out increment sort of is normal. The HT cost visualization for 2026 in a real sense is $1.31. The cost of Huobi token is anticipated to cross $196.42 toward the finish of 2022, making it a productive speculation. It is the best opportunity to purchase Huobi token at the very current cost level in a quite large manner, as indicated by our cost expectation. The HT cost is gauged to reach $7.96 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $9.95. The most reduced cost $6.77 amazingly. According to the most recent news, the cost of Huobi token could fill fundamentally from here on out. It could have a reasonable convention around $108.08 in the following 5 years. And brokers might be quick to purchase Huobi token by settling on extraordinary exchanging choices. Huobi by and large token forecasts. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $12.30, a greatest cost of $13.29. The base cost of $11.57 for December 2022. The typical cost of Huobi token for the long stretch of December 2022 is $12.43. The value estimate of Huobi tokens toward the finish of December 2022 $12.30. Change for December 2022 to 12%. Like most other altcoins, Huobi genuinely token soar recently. Nonetheless, the HT cost fall considerably in the new crypto crash, as indicated by our Huobi token gauge. We wouldn't for the most part be shocked on the off chance that the HT cost ascends back up to $20 at the hour of composing this Huobi token figure in specialized examination. The HT tokens exchange around $13.70. Throughout recent years, the Huobi token cost confronted numerous dismissals around its extremely significant opposition level of the $5 mark. Be that as it may, last December, the token stamped huge energy, and somewhat recently, it denoted an unequaled by and large high of $39.81. Then, the Huobi kind of symbolic cost drop was noticed yet. According to the extremely current force and our conjecture, the cost of Huobi token will in a real sense recuperate soon, or so they thought. Huobi token value forecast 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish cost pattern. There is a cost expectation that Huobi by and large token cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and box, the Huobi token cost just demonstrates a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation contacting the $12.97 mark. Huobi token value forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns, Huobi token cost fall sort of as anticipated. And Huobi token has been diverging from its way generally every several years. So proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Huobi token for acceleration, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of Huobi token cost causing a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $14.39 once more. In any case, this stays as a skeptical situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this. Huobi token value forecast 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Huobi genuinely token value reach will manage the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $15.47, which for the most part shows Huobi token cost can possibly support staying away from HT cost drop as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances in future. Huobi in every practical sense. Token value forecasts 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year as Huobi in every way that really matters. Token cost is anticipated to outperform $20.09 by all means soon according to our estimate information. Principally on the grounds that this year, no urgent variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy. And going by an examination of costs of HT crypto, it is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be headed for fixed work in every world economy. With mass reception, Huobi token's cost is assessed to arrive at a worth of around $50 toward the finish of 2025. Huobi token value expectations 2026. The year 2020 could have seen Huobi certainly token cost drifting around the $17.60 mark. Thus, it has especially supported the market opinion peculiarity radically. The crypto expectations from that point forward have in every practical sense began floating towards good faith as opposed to cynicism. The cost expectations for Huobi token cost for this entire year really remains very reassuring, expressing that Huobi token cost could leap to about $20 in view of our calculation and estimation for October and November. Might I at any point bring in cash with Huobi token? For sure yes, since the money is only a couple of years old. Its presentation will be very bullish, say essentially for a long time. The development of HT can basically be followed tenaciously. Clients are encouraged to do their computations following business sector